In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your images for custom print sizes using Photoshop. Here I've got an image opened up. I think it's 15 by 18, and we're going to fit it to a 16 by 20. Also, along with this video, you could reference on our website here. You have on the resources page, we're there now. You could scroll down, and down here we've got custom print sizes. You can view this post, and it's a little outdated, using a much older version of Photoshop, but the process is pretty much the same. Anyway, let's get back to it. So I've got this image here. First thing you're going to want to do is go to image size, and it's normally 72 dpi. You want to make sure you go to 300 dpi, and see it goes to 15 by 18, and we're going to do a 16 by 20. So that's a little bit odd of a size here. I'm going to hit OK. Nothing changed. All I did was size it correctly. And then the next thing we want to do is go to image canvas size. And the reason I'm picking 16 by 20 is because that's a standard size that you can print from, and you don't have to do any special communication or anything like that to get it. So first of all, I'm going to do this 20 and this 16, and I'll just leave white. That's fine, and leave everything alone here. Press OK, and it puts this little uneven border here. That's okay. So what you could do is, once you order through our software, just order a 16 by 20, and in the special instructions or order notes, you can tell us to just trim the white off, and you'll have your 15 by 18. You could do that with just about any size that you'd like to. So that's pretty much it, guys. And you'll just make sure you save your image out. We'll do this, save as, and make sure you choose sRGB ICC profile, which is our standard profile to use. Save the image out. I'm just going to save it as, let's just say test. Enter. Make sure you choose baseline standard. Go with the fullest quality and press OK. And you're ready to order your picture. That's all, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.